Hello guys, so this video is going to be a full face of my beauty favorites for 2024. For our first beauty favorite, it's going to be for the skin, and it's this Vaseline Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Lotion. Like nakikita niyo naman guys sa packaging, ubos na siya. And meron ako ditong as a stock para pamalit in case maubos na to. Meron pa siya natitira na konti. But what I like about this is that it's so lightweight compared to the other lotions that I've tried. It says here it's a serum burst lotion. So it really feels like a serum that you apply lang sa katawan mo. Ayan, paubos na siya guys. Gagamitin na natin yung bago. And hindi siya sticky at all. Like walang sticky feeling kahit nipisan mo pa, kahit kapalan mo pa siya. Walang sticky feeling. And it really gives you a brighter and glowing skin. Lalo na pag araw-araw mo siyang ginagamit. Ako, araw-araw ko talaga siyang ginagamit. And I do see a difference on my skin tone. It really gives like a brightening effect. And ako talaga, if you know me, hindi ako makakaubos ng gantong level sa lotion. Like, hindi ako dati mahilig sa lotion, but this one, I really gave into this. And after pa i-apply, nararamdaman ko lang right now, it has a cooling feeling pa, lalo pag nakahanginan ka. And perfect siya sa weather natin if you're looking for a lotion na comfortable in our weather. And this has ingredients nga pala that you can see on skincare. Like for example, niacinamide. It has 10 times more niacinamide, which really helps with brightening your skin. And this has Glutaglow technology pa, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. Vitamin C is my favorite ingredient when it comes to skincare kasi it really gives you that dewy, plump looking skin. And if it's 10 times more powerful, then that is the reason why I really like this talaga. So if you want to improve your dull skin and have a brighter glowing skin, go for the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Serum Burst Lotion. I highly recommend this, and a lot of people have tried it and experienced the Gluta-Hya glow up. So try it now guys. So this is one body care that I recommend also. This is the Fresh Skin Lab Cherry Almond Triple Whitening Perfume Sugar Scrub. This is yung niya itsura. Ayan. This smells so good. At first, hindi ako medyo naniwala when it comes to the triple whitening. But when I tried it, around like 1 to 2 times pa lang, I see a difference on my skin. And I never see that when it comes to body scrubs. Sa mga body scrubs na na-try ko, parang it's just moisturizing. It just smoothens your skin, but it doesn't whiten your skin. So this one, I like it because it does give you that whitening effect, and also it smells so good guys. It's gonna leave your skin smelling like cherry and sugary and sweet. That's why I like it. It feels very luxurious pag ginamit mo. So for skincare, if you guys can see my skin right now, it looks so good. Kahit ako, nakatingin ako sa camera right now, it looks so good, and I know the secret with this one because I applied it just now. This is yung Senka Perfect UV Milk. I just discovered this sunscreen, and oh my gosh, this is the best sunscreen that I've tried. Not only does it have PA++++, 50+ SPF, but it has this powdery finish, and wala siyang white cast, yet it gives you that glow. Like, this is not my normal skin. Like, maganda yung lapat niya sa skin ko, and it doesn't give you that malagkit feel na parang lagay mo yung ibang mga sunscreen. It does give you that glow effect, but this one, it gives you like powdery finish pero may glow pa rin, and parang natanggal niya yung pores mo, ganon. So this one, I like it, and yung kanyang packaging, very luxurious din and compact. Last for skincare, we have the Garnier Skin Naturals Bright Complete Overnight Booster Serum. This is yung overnight serum na vitamin C, but I have to show the other one, yung parang daytime na serum nila, which is a vitamin C also. I prefer that one. Kung may isa lang akong bibilin between the two of these serums, yun yung bibilin ko guys. I highly recommend that. Naubos ko na siya, but I will buy a new one. So if you want to have like a brighter glowing skin, go for vitamin C serums talaga. Like, I love vitamin C kasi instant talaga yung effect niya on your skin. I highly recommend this, and lagi silang nagsisale. Nakikita ko yung live nila, so cope this one guys. Now before I move on to makeup, syempre magme-makeup tayo later, but I just want to show you naman my hair care. Since you guys know I'm a curly girl, I had to show you my beauty favorites when it comes to hair care. So first is the Dove Dermacare Scalp shampoo. This is the Soothing Moisture variant, but I also use the Hair Fall variant, and I just love this shampoo. Very moisturizing din siya sa hair. I just love the scent. Everything pag Dove talaga. I love the scent, and I love how it applies on your hair. Pag sinashampoo mo siya, very bubbly, mabula siya. So yeah, I highly recommend tong Dove. Next is, I just discovered this. This is yung Curl Essential Curl Conditioner. I also like yung shampoo nila, but I feel like it's too watery. That's why I didn't include it here sa video na to. But this one, yung conditioner nila, maganda siya talaga guys. And whenever I use their shampoo and conditioner or yung conditioner lang, my curls looks more defined pag style ko sila. I don't know if there's a connection, but definitely meron siguro because this is made for curly girls. So I do think na yun yung effect niya. That's why I recommend this. And hindi siya katulad ng other conditioner ng mga curly girls. Sometimes I don't like yung ibang mga conditioner na CGM approved because di sila nakakalambot ng hair or kaya it doesn't feel like you're using a conditioner. Siguro natatakot sila that it will weigh down the curls ng ibang curly girl or curlies. That's why I like this one. It's moisturizing. It still feels like a conditioner pag ginamit mo. But pag natuyo na yung hair mo, hindi niya nasi-straight yung curls mo. And then for stylers, my favorite, the Curls by Zen Leave-In Conditioner and the Curlico Cream Gels. These two are my holy grail. Curls by Zen Leave-In Conditioner, guys. This is my everyday styler. Pag not so important yung pupuntahan ko. Like, I'm just going somewhere, errand, ganyan. This is my go-to styler kasi it's moisturizing sa hair but it doesn't give too much hold. Kasi for everyday, I don't want naman my curls looking so defined. Gusto ko pa rin naman it looks effortless when I'm effortless. But when I want it to have a hold, I want it to look more defined. I want it to be easy also. Like without all the steps, go for the Curlico Cream Gel. This is a cream and gel in one. Yung iba pa, nagsastart sila sa leave-in conditioner, then cream, then gel. Yun yung steps ng curly hair styling nila or curly girl method nila. But with the Curlico Cream Gel, it's the cream and gel in one. So one product na lang yung ilalagay mo. That's why I love this. And you're good to go. Pwede ka nang mag-diffuse ng hair, pwede ka nang mag-air dry ng hair. And it doesn't take too much time. So these two, holy grail for my curly hair. I just applied my contact lens. Sorry if mukhang red yung eyes ko, guys. Pero mawawala din yan later. Now, let's move on to the makeup favorites. And I'm just gonna be quick here because I feel like wala akong masyadong bagong makeup. I don't really buy new makeup, but I just want you guys to know my favorites on the makeup side. So first for base, we have the first base of Colorette. This is a skin tint and I'm on the shade Oslob. This one, guys, matagal na siya in the makeup industry, but I just rediscovered this year. I feel like 1 year pa lang naman siya, pero guys, this is the best skin tint. Like, kung gumagamit pa kayo, kung hindi nyo to ginagamit, I don't know where you're at kasi napakaganda talaga nito. It's not maganda because it can go for the level of foundation, ganyan. But it's super lightweight, yet it covers all the things that you want to cover on your face. But before muna ako mag-apply nito, I just want to show you guys again a favorite of mine sa foundation naman. This is the Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation from Maybelline. This is in the shade 115. When I have events, this is my holy grail, guys. It not only does it last me the whole day, like ito nakalagay dito up to 30 hours siya, but I haven't tried having it on my face for 30 hours. Pero for when I'm attending events, I always wear this. And sa gabi, meron pa rin talaga akong makeup hanggang gabi, guys. And this is the secret. And super ganda ng lapat niya sa face ko. And it's just my skin but better, guys. And this is just a holy grail. You guys have to have this on your makeup kit. This is a must-have, affordable one. Not too affordable, pero if you compare the quality of this one sa mga high-end brands, makakalaban niya talaga to. So this one, highly recommend. But for today, we're going to use first base as our base for today. So I just apply it directly like this. I like to spread it with a brush muna and then ilalapat ko na siya with their sponge. Meron silang first base sponge. So ito yung beauty sponge nila. This is the Always beauty sponge by Colorette. Look at the lapat, guys. Pag medyo mas lighter pa yung gusto nyo, yung mukhang natural lang, konti lang yung ilagay nyo. But for me, I like a full coverage skin tint. And hindi din naman siya super full coverage. Very natural siya. But ayan, naglalagay ako ng madami kasi I find na parang as the hours go by, medyo mas lumalapat na siya sa skin mo and mas match niya siya sa skin tone mo because of the sweat and yung humid. So, mas gusto ko na medyo kinakapalan siya sa start ng day para hanggang end of the day, nandyan pa rin siya. Although this is the longevity of this one, mahaba din naman. But, unlike from the Lumi Matte, ito talaga, hanggat hindi mo tatanggalin, hindi siya matatanggal. Maganda talaga lapat nito, guys. But of course, this is just a skin tint. It can last you like for the whole day, but sa end of the day, syempre medyo, medyo natatanggal na siya. But yeah, this is the starting product. Pwede mo nga ito pang event eh. Like, tingnan nyo naman yung itsura niya sa skin. So, nag-skip na ako ng brows and blush, but wala naman ako kasing masyadong bagong favorite na brow product and blush. But sige, papakita ko na rin din. This is what I use for my blush. This is yung Radiance Blush Wand. I love the shade of this one. Yung parang magkahalo siyang pink and purple, on the verge of parang very bright pink na siya. Kasi bagay siya sa skin tone ko, guys. That's why I like using this one. And then, hindi ako nag-concealer right now, but gusto ko rin pakita sa inyo this brush. This is from Real Techniques. This is their brightening concealer brush in 242, I think. And this one, guys, if you like applying your blush with a brush, kasi ako, I don't like sponges, or sometimes pwedeng sponge, but not all the time. This one, hindi niya na-absorb yung product and ang bilis niyang makablend. This is a holy grail product, guys. Bumili kayo ng at least one Real Techniques brush and you'll know yung difference niya from a normal brush. That is why this is more expensive than normal ones. There's a reason why talaga. Like, iba talaga yung bristles niya and maganda talaga siya. For lashes, I always use the Maybelline Sky High mascara. And this one, guys, pwede kasi siyang pang everyday. Like, nimpisan mo lang like that and mukha siyang natural. And then, pwede mo naman siyang kapalan to the level na parang mukha kang naka-lashes na talaga. Like, mukha kang naka-false eyelashes. And the key din, para mukhang naka-false eyelashes ka, is to curl your lashes well. Kailangan nakapatayo na talaga siya kahit hindi mo pa minamascara. Like, look at that. Mukha akong naka-false eyelashes. Like, ang taas ng lashes ko. And ayun nga, pwedeng ganyan, natural lang. Oh, I wasn't able to use this kanina, but this is another holy grail of mine. This is yung Get Ready With Me Radiance Tint in the shade Light Peach. This is a color corrector that you use on under your eyes. Sobrang konti lang na kailangan mo. And it cancels out yung dark circles mo sa under eyes. So, pag magko-concealer ka, konti na lang yung ilalagay mo para lang mag-match siya sa skin color mo. But, pag lalagay mo nitong light peach na to, matatanggal niya talaga yung dark circles mo. Parang wala talaga, guys. So, I highly recommend this one. Ang problem ko lang sa kanya, nagli-leak siya, guys. Like the usual problem ng every Get Ready With Me packaging. But, I love this product. I have to give it to them. This is good. I usually set pala my blush. So, I set it with this Colorette Color Bounce in the shade Pom Pom. And this is just the perfect pink shade na ilalagay mo on top of a pink shade too para ma-set siya. And itong Color Bounce, guys, ang review niya talaga is super long-lasting siya and I do agree. Like, for the whole day, when you set this one, whole day kang may blush talaga. Now for lips, I don't usually use lip liners, but this one is one of the best lip liners I've tried. This is yung Vice Cosmetics Lip Liner in First Kiss. Yung formula niya, guys, sobrang creamy. And konti lang i-apply ko kasi are going for a natural lippy today. But it's just so creamy. And if you want a lip liner na madaling gamitin, go for Vice Cosmetics. Madami pa silang mas better shade ng First Kiss, but this one yung nakuha ko. So I just put on highlighter. Right now, I'm going to show you another Reco sa makeup. This is yung Maybelline Superstay Double Fixer. Kita nyo naman, paubos na siya. And meron na akong pamalit dito kasi that's how good it is. Ang ganda talaga nitong setting spray na to. This just locks in your makeup and it lasts me the whole day. And at the same time, guys, ang ganda pa ng mist niya, very fine mist. Hindi pa ako nakakita ng gantong mist on other sprays. It feels like a skincare mist pag nilagay mo. That's how gentle it is. Unlike ibang mga setting sprays na ganun talaga sila mag-spray. Ito, very gentle. So, yeah, bilhin nyo na to. So before ako pumunta sa lippies, punta muna tayo dito sa lashes. These are yung lashes from Sweet Eye or any brand naman for me. Parehas lang sila. But these kind of lashes, yung parang tigi-tigisa and you're just gonna put it under your lashes. Sobrang ganda ng ganito guys, and super natural and super tibay pa, and I think this is just 150 plus pesos and mas madami ka pang makukuha. Like this one, like nakakailang reuse na ako dito and madami pa natitira. And what's convenient about it is that it has this Sweet Eye lash remover and Sweet Eye lash bond. So you just use this one para ilagay yung glue and you don't have to put it sa dulo like yung mga usual glue na dumidikit din sa fingers mo. This one, you're just gonna brush it sa real lashes mo and then apply, and I find it super convenient talaga. Like if I want to have like a lash extensions effect, this one is it. And guys, magpabudol kayo dito. Madami nagpo-post nito sa TikTok and I do recommend it kasi maganda talaga siya. Let's go to the lippies. Feeling ko wala akong masyadong bago, but first off, pakita ko lang sa inyo itong O2O na lippy. Guys, hindi ito yung favorite shade ko, but gusto ko lang ipakita and lalagay ko dito yung sa screen, yung favorite shade ko. Hindi ko kasi siya mahanap, but the shade is M11 and it's just this muted pink na color. And I like it because comfy siya sa lips, but it's transfer proof guys, it's waterproof. And to think na bullet lipstick to guys, bullet lipstick usually hindi siya transfer proof, but this one transfer proof siya, and ang ganda din ng packaging, look at that. So I highly recommend yung etong O2O lipstick. Madami silang magandang shades doon, but yung favorite ko M11. I can't seem to find it right now, that's why may mention ko na lang. And then I found another shade of the Super Stay Vinyl Ink. This is in the shade Cheeky. If you watch me, Charmed yung lagi kong shade, but this one kasi bibili ako ng isa pang Charmed and sabi nila sold out daw. So ito yung binili ko and I love it guys. I mean, number 1 pa rin si Charmed, but this one, this is also another MLBB shade. It's super MLBB nga na minsan mukhang wala akong lipstick when I wear this. That's why I like the Charmed shade better kasi mukha ka pa rin naka-lipstick, but this one, ayan, super match niya yung original lip color ko. So this is yung Super Stay Lifter Gloss in the shade 008 Stone. This one, maganda siya kahit on itself, pero pwede din patungan mo ng other lippy. Look at that shade. Diba? Nude siya, pero very similar pa rin sa MLBB ko. Like, parang ganun lang naman yung mga favorite kong lippies. Mukha pa rin My Lips but better, pero like, lumilihis lang ng konti. Like, medyo pa nude, medyo pa red, ganyan. And lastly, ito, matagal na to sa akin, but ginagamit ko lang kasi siya sa cheeks ko. Hindi ko siya nagagamit sa lips. This is yung Dream Cream Tint Lip Cream from Careline. And ito pa yung collab nila with SpongeBob. Kala ko hindi siya maganda sa lips kasi yung feeling niya sa lips parang too velvety, parang hindi siya bagay. But when you apply it, ito kasi gagamitin ko sa look natin today. Wait, sumobra guys. Like that. And grabe guys, diba? MLBB ko talaga siya. Like, mukha siyang lips ko, but better. So, yun. Na-discover ko lang siya. Trinay ko sa lips ko. And the only thing about this is, hindi siya long-lasting. Like, I have to reapply pagkakain. I have to reapply every, like, ilang hours. But, it's good naman for everyday. Like, kung gusto mo lang ng natural, lippy, diba? Maganda na siya. I don't know if I should include this sa favorites video ko because I just tried it today. Look at my curls, guys. Sobrang defined niya. Like, pag ganun talaga siya. Like, usually, whenever I do my curls, like, iba-iba talaga siya. Like, sabog-sabog, ganun. Pero, I always say I like it like that. Pero maganda din pala yung mukhang defined yung curls mo. And I use this brush. Alam niyo naman to, this is yung Bounce Curl Brush. Meron siyang ganito para pag brush mo siya, mapupunta yung each curl strand here, tapos siya na yung magka-curl ng curls mo. And I feel like dahil ginamit ko siya today, ang ganda ng pagkaka-curl ng curls ko. So yun guys, try nyo siya kung gusto nyo kasi never ako nagkaka-ringlets like that sa curls ko. So lastly, I forgot to mention this first part, which is a skin and face section. But isingit ko lang to, this is the Soft Glow Oral Supplement S-acetylglutathione with vitamin C and zinc. So this one, it has 60 capsules na. And mura siya, like affordable siya guys for the benefits. Kasi ang S-acetylglutathione, it's much more parang effective than the normal glutathione, and I've tried that in other brands, and mas effective nga talaga siya than the regular ones. And this one, sobrang affordable niya compared to the other brands and the other brand I've tried. And this one din, it has 60 capsules, and choice mo naman kung gusto mong 1 tablet lang or 2 tablets per day. Ako, I usually go for 1 tablet lang per day. And what I like about this din is yung meron siyang vitamin C and zinc, which is good for like everyday vitamins mo. So, hindi lang siya pampaputi, pampaganda, ganyan. But it also protects your immune system. So, yun yung gusto ko sa kanya. This is my second bottle na, and highly recommend. So yeah guys, that concludes our full face of beauty favorites of 2024. If meron kayong beauty favorite na gustong i-recommend sa ibang tao, go for the comments. Comment nyo yan. Huwag nyong i-gatekeep. I-share nyo yan. And if meron din kayong favorite na minention ko, let me know your thoughts sa mga products na na-mention ko para naman, di ba, ma-encourage din yung iba to buy them. Kasi ako talaga, hindi ako masyadong ma-consumer ng beauty, but when I know it's good, I stick to it. So sorry guys, I have to end the video here, but I'm sorry for the different angle. But yeah guys, if meron kayong type na na-recommend ko, let me know down below. And also nga pala, yung mga products na na-mention ko, especially yung Vaseline Gluta-Hya Lotion, I will link it down below sa ating description box. And you guys can click it, and it will leave you sa Lazada or Shopee link nila. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like my makeup and my recommendations. Let me know if meron pa kayong video ideas that you want me to do. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I apologize for ending the video here, but see you on my next vlog. Bye!